Barbados-a-doma, ba-la-la-la-la-la. Bosom-a-dum-ba-dum. Welcome to a new video with the chickens. Just by the way, I'll tell you all of the new chickens' names. This is Bubbles. Say hi. 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 This is Lavender. So all of these are highlights, by the way. This is Shadow. This is going to be the chicken's morning, known as Shadow. And then we got Honey. Excuse me, not behind me. Because she's basically my doggy pet. Here's Victor. We can't forget to add old chickens to it. Excuse me, Victor. Victor. Bubbles, you're really distracting me. Like, you really are. Like, really. You can't fight her. It's under the rules of the chickens, so you can't. Lavender, don't worry. Oh, you're beautiful. Okay, Lavender is just so beautiful. I love Lavender. I'm so lucky I got these chickens. They are gorgeous. Like you. You're beautiful, okay? You're beautiful. I love you. Why do you really want to fight? Victor, come on. Victor, where are your friends? Your friends don't like it. Well, I guess they are sunbathing, so yeah. Okay, Bubbles, you gotta understand me. Okay, you can't get out. It's not possible, Bubbles. Yes, I know it's upsetting. And you're upset because you can't actually fight somebody. That's a really stupid rule. Why are you standing on that thing? Why? What's wrong? Why? Get off it. Get off it. Get off. Get off. La 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 la. My chicken. Tick tick tick. Chicken. I know I didn't post as much, but we're getting new chickens. My cousins came. Yeah, my grandma came. Yeah, we're in summer house, so it's not really video that much at this time. Nothing interesting is really happening. Not really going to that many farms, I guess, so kind of gets me a bit confused. We're not really going to that many places recently, so not that many videos are being uploaded. I think I got my chickens like 2 weeks ago or a month ago. I'm not sure. I need to check the video. I think it was 1 month. Don't worry, it's not a tornado. It's just spinning. I don't know why she doesn't eat from it's only whenever I take it out, that's when she gets like look at her. Why? Why do I do it from hands? Ow. Ow. Meanie. You are such a meanie. What? Why did I say out? Bubbles should say out. Are you happy, Nikki? You're so fluffed up. Very red. And you, silly Billy, you're not really red. You're more pinkish and dirty and chicken. Nikki, where's your twin? Excuse me. Feeling so much better when you don't see a cold guy. You're really clever. Yes, you guys are too. That's nice. Oh, you really got some good digging. Never get around with nice, but mainly this little chicken morning. It's sort of like if the chicken was my chickens. Lala. Good job. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Maybe next month, maybe next, I don't know. Say bye, Victor.